Hello viewer, I just thought I'd show you today the software I used for slicing my prints. So what I've got here is actually the corner brackets. Now at the moment this is looking at 105 hours with 100% full density. If you switch it down to 50%, it will decrease the amount of time print. It also cut down on the amount of filament you use and make the print lighter, but also potentially weaker. Though it does a grid form inside the plastic, which makes it still quite strong. So I'm actually going to do these at 25%. Considering there's going to be 4 of them on the CNC Mill, it's going to give it plenty of strength. Using the brim as the adhesion. Now this is the layers, so this is where you can actually see the actual layers of the print. So it's just showing from top down at the moment, and funny enough, this is actually how I'll be wanting the CNC machine to work when it's finished, is sort of like a reverse 3D print, where it's hollowing out an item rather than creating or building up an item. So what you're seeing here is actually layer by layer, which is how the 3D print prints. So it'll print one layer at a time, and then it'll go up and print the next layer. So once it's finished this, there we go. So I can grab control of the slider and select which layer we want to look at, and starting from the bottom layer and then coming up through the layers, this is how the 3D printer will print it. So it's basically slicing the 3D design. So I'll just save this to my desktop and move that on to a USB micro adapter, and that goes into my big 3D printer and ready for printing. So what I'll leave you off with is just some fast motion or time-lapse shots of the printer starting. So there's just a couple of minutes here, and sorry that it's in quite dim light. It's all I had at the time, I'm afraid. I have since fixed the lighting on the printer, so now I've got some of the LED print lights working, so next one should be a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and yep, please consider subscribing if you do enjoy this type of thing, and clicking the like button. I would like to try and have this channel build up a little bit, so any support in the subscribes and likes would be much appreciated, and comment any questions you might have or anything you want me to talk about with 3D printing. I'll be happy to answer. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.